For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Coti future while examining Coti cost estimate for 2022 and past in an unobtrusive manner. Kindly in a real sense remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, sort of, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Coti. Presently, how about we head into it, which basically is genuinely critical. Before we dig in every way that really matters, profound into the Coti value forecast and answer questions in the event that Coti is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Coti especially succeed or by and large fizzle, or for what reason will Coti value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Coti and its to-date history. Coti price prediction for the next 90 days, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable truly bear market in a significant manner. Bitcoin really has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and US Fed rate builds, which is very huge. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into certainly more steady business sectors in a significant manner. Crypto basically is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous for the most part play and thus the offer off, in spite of prevalent thinking. Our algo still sees some really green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is really reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin explicitly needs to find a fundamentally neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course in an unpretentious manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to in a real sense do likewise. We fundamentally have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history amazingly. Our cost expectation model really is negative for the very next 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We explicitly expect whales and other a lot greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each venture, which is genuinely critical. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical in every practical sense, potential, and a few genuinely other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, or so they in a real sense thought. Coti price prediction 2022. Most of specialists fundamentally concur that this essentially bear market will endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise, which is genuinely huge. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 September minus 11.91% $0.0863. 2022 October minus 26.69% $0.0718. 2022 November minus 20.02% $0.0784, or so they thought. 2022 December minus 17.85% $0.0805. 2023 Jan minus 3.25% $0.0948, or so they thought. 2023 February minus 1.09% $0.0969. 2023 Mar plus 7.69% $0.1055. 2023 April plus 17.32% $0.1150. 2023 May plus 28.72% $0.1261. 2023 June plus 30.65% $0.1280, or so they thought. 2023 July plus 33.43% $0.1307, as opposed to mainstream thinking. 2023 August plus 47.00% $0.1440. Coti price prediction 2025 in a significant manner. Our expectation model sees Coti coming to $0.2572 in 2025. What will Coti basically be worth in 5 years in an unpretentious way? The cost of Coti in 5 years could lie around $0.2204. Coti price prediction 2030 to 2040 in an especially large manner. What Coti will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees Coti coming to $0.6430 in 2030 in a significant manner. What Coti will be worth in 2040, which is very huge. Our estimating model sees Coti coming to $1.29 in 2040. Will Coti supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin in an unpretentious manner? No, Coti won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Coti generally at any point reach $1, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking? Indeed, Coti can reach $1 toward the finish of 2022, which is very huge. Might Coti at any point reach $10? Indeed, it by and large is really conceivable that Coti can reach $10 yet just in a removed future, after 2030. Might Coti at any point really reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Coti to especially reach $100 in the essentially short or midterm period. Could Coti at any point especially reach $1,000? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Coti to really reach $1,000 in the especially short or midterm period. Is Coti worth purchasing in an unpretentious manner? We are backers of decently hazardous money management. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of sort of enormous cap coins and the rest in little tasks with gigantic potential gain, which is genuinely huge. Thus, in this unique circumstance, Coti in a real sense merits purchasing. Is Coti a wise interest in an essentially significant manner? Coti is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a dangerous speculation. It really does basically have higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, truly dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. How truly much will Coti be worth in a huge manner? For the transient future, it could reach $0.0594. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $0.6430 or considerably higher. For what reason will Coti succeed and generally get more expensive, or so they thought? Coti has a decent use case, very much planned.